Oh man, this is driving me crazy.
What's going on, Kashif? Market volatility.
No, it's not even the trades, it's managing them. Multi-leg strategies are a nightmare. I'm constantly juggling between screens, adjusting legs, tracking charts, checking PNL. It's exhausting. One wrong move and the entire setup falls apart.
I know exactly what you mean. Most retail traders feel the same chaos. You lose time juggling between screens, miss opportunities, and worst of all, you don't have a clear idea of how your strategy is performing.
Yes, and it's not like I'm making bad calls. It's just the execution mess that's killing me.
And that's where the trading panel comes in. It's built exactly for this. Speed, clarity, and control, all in one place.
Okay, now you've caught me. But does it actually solve the mess?
Come, let me show you. It's better to see it in action. Right. This is the home screen of Share.Market, your one-stop solution for managing trades efficiently. On the top left here, you'll find Nifty and other indices such as Bank Nifty and Sensex. Just click on Nifty and right below, the full option chain opens up, complete with premiums, open interest, and the Nifty chart. Everything you need to make informed decisions. It's all in a single view. No clutter, no switching screens. Now, let's say we have a neutral view on the market. A great strategy for such a scenario is a strangle. It's delta neutral and works well when you expect the market to stay within a range while benefiting from time decay. So Nifty is currently trading just near 24,400. In this case, here's how we'd set it up. We sell a 24,500 call and we sell a 24,200 put. Watch this. Just a few clicks and both legs are placed instantly. No need to bounce between tabs. It's all streamlined. Once the positions are active, head over to the Portfolio tab. Here's where the real magic happens. You get a combined PNL view of the entire strategy. Also, you can see the PNL of each individual leg and quick action buttons to adjust or exit legs. Want to analyze a specific leg further? Simply click on the strike and the live chart appears right next to your positions, all in the same screen. No need to juggle between your charting tool and broker terminal anymore. Now, imagine the market moves and you need to rebalance the position to stay delta neutral. Here's how you do it. We close the existing 24,200 put. Choose the price and place the order. Now, we come on the option chain and sell a 24,300 put instead. Confirm the new order, and that's it. Your strategy is now rebalanced. Fast, simple, and precise. And when it's time to square off the trade, you don't have to go leg by leg. Just use the instant exit feature. One tap and the entire strategy closes in seconds. So with the trading panel, you're not just placing trades, you're managing them like a pro. You can execute multi-legs with speed, track everything in a single clean interface, make adjustments on the go, and exit entire strategies in one seamless action. Whether you're just starting or you're a seasoned trader, this is what modern stress-free trading should feel like. Efficient, intuitive, and always in control. Please explore this feature on the Share.Market app and let me know your experience in the comments section. To explore more about futures and options, check out our dedicated Share.Market derivative series. It's designed to help you understand everything in a simpler and better way. Link in the description.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.